belong to nobody. Hope it don't bother you. You can mind your business. I belong to nobody. Try not to disturb. I'm a business.
You ready to go, monkey? Come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. All right. Good morning, Snapchatters. Good morning. Happy Saturday from me and Maggie. We're going on an adventure. I was on the couch and realized I have to run a shitload of errands and I need gas. And then I took Maggie to pee and the weather was so nice. I said, Maggie, let's go get some gas. But while we go get gas, let's go for a morning hike. We're going for a hike. Oh, and before you judge me for still having half a bonnet on, it keeps the braids off my neck and comfort is more important than your opinion, so judge your mother. Okay, I've gotten gas. Snappers, oh my snappers, you know what is so cool about Snapchat? I have 3 snappers right now in Toronto at Carabana, and it feels like I'm there. So shout out to Shalina, Nadine, and Quana. I will be stalking your snaps today. Don't play the radio. Please point the camera outwards because I want to see.
If you believe, if you see it, I don't see myself. Why I can't stay long just by myself? Wish I was comfortable just with myself. But I need you, I need you, I need you.
Well, guys, looks like we got here just in time. There's only like 3 spaces left. Oh, feel that sun. It's a great day for a hike.
Know better, know you know better, know you grow better than you do. Got me looking for you, I be looking for you. Got me looking forward to weekend show, baby.
Like my side, a real that's that Mo City, that side that you can't go around at night. You like to get me high, you know I know I'm beside you. You like when I make fire, you say the flame can make you fire. Let me come inside you, let me plant that seed inside you. As it
I came to your city looking for loving and licky, cause you promised to put it down. All up in your city looking. Real niggas do not deserve pussy. Meaning it's more you see right through walls, ain't talking about pussy.
good young nigga like me is over for you. Salina, middle fingers up, speak your truth.
You can never trivialize pussy.
Y'all see it?
But
And you? Oh, I know. We do it all the time.
Where do you guys go on the other side?
On the other side, up through the trail, did you not see? It's kind of hidden. We picked up visitors on our trail today. They didn't know which way to go. I said, you can follow me and my dog. So there's a little girl and a white lady walking behind us. I bet this white lady thinks I'm trying to lead her to her death. She's like, where is this black girl taking me? But really, this is the way, I promise. Here they come. Ugh. Go ahead, monkey. She's trying to see how dirty she can get. Thanks, Max. Thank you. Thank you. Come on, baby. Maggie.
Come on, Maggie.
She's such a little baby. Come on, baby girl. You can do it. Oh.
Look at this.
You guys, I think Maggie is in her standoff. She doesn't. She's ready to go. She's ready to go. She's ready to go. It was so hot today, I actually got in the water. So Maggie. Where is she? Oh, refuses.
You have to
Off. Goodbye, Ari.
have a good day.
We will. Maggie, come on, let's go. And be careful going back up. Snappers, oh snappers. The things that happen to your friends. Care to hear a story? Oh, I didn't tell y'all Maggie got stuck in there where the waves are rushing. Maggie was like, oh shit, help me out. They're gonna have to hire me to work at the trail. I just had to give directions to someone else. Story coming soon. And by the way, this hill is a motherfucker. Do you hear how hard I'm breathing? God damn. But like I knew it would. It's full as a bitch. So we're leaving just in time, Maggie. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Snappers! First of all, it's hotter than a motherfucker outside. Let's start with that. So, I woke up this morning, took Maggie for a walk, and said, hey, it's really cool outside. It's only 74 degrees. Let's get dressed and go to the park, right? We get to the park, we start walking. You guys will remember when I was snapping the little family walking across the bridge, the little girl. I hope that snap came through. I haven't watched my story yet. But anyway, the mom asked me, hey, do you know how to get to the part where you can go swimming? I said, well, did you just start hiking? Because that's where me and Maggie are headed. We like to hike the trail and then go get in the river. You can come with us if you want. And she was like, really? You don't mind? Sure, we'll come with you guys. Let's go. So we all start hiking the trail. Now, it was my bad. This was my bad. I apologize to that white woman. I forgot that trail that I be hiking with this dog probably isn't for a 6-year-old. So needless to say, the little white girl got exhausted. She was like, I can't hike anymore. She legit starts crying and she's like, I don't want to walk. Where are we going? And the whole time I'm like, Ruth, why you bought this feeble little girl on this long ass trail? And I'm like, you know what? Maybe we should turn around. And the mom goes, we've already come this far. We might as well just keep going. So me being the woman that I am, I pep talked the fuck out of that little girl. I really did. And I'm proud of myself because I really motivated that girl to finish the trail. I said, you know what? Her name was Ariana. You know what, Ariana? You can do this. You already made it this far. All we have to do, and I gave her some Blue's Clues Discovery fucking shit. No, listen to this. I really did. I was like, all we have to do is get to the covered bridge, split in the road, and the waterfall, and then we'll make it back home. So the whole time we were walking, she was like, is the bridge coming up now? I was like, it's almost. I did good though because we finished the trail. Like, it was so awesome. When we got to the water, she was so excited. She couldn't wait to take off all her clothes and jump in the water in her bathing suit. She's like, we did it! We did it! We solved it! We did it! And I had to talk to the little girl the whole time because she kept wanting to whine, and as soon as she'd start whining, I'd ask her a question. You know what? I should do something with the kids because I rocked the fuck out of this little random ass adventures in the waves with Ruth because that little girl did not want to do that trail. She was like, my stomach hurts. I don't want to walk anymore. Look, here comes the bridge. Yeah, and Adventures with Ruth, I got to spend the morning with Ariana and whatever the fuck her mom's name is. I don't even remember, but yeah, that was really cool. That was really cool. Maggie was a trooper. It was great, and we all got to go in the water. Oh, y'all didn't get to see because my phone was in my pocket. My Maggie went swimming today, like all the way in the water, and doggy paddled and everything. And Ariana was like, you're doing it, Maggie! You're